In this video, I will show how to generate passwords with custom length and custom settings. So you can create and generate high secure password using this website in just a few seconds. It's my own website webtools.barkhatereza.in, and underneath generator tools, just click on here password generator. Like you need 15 character password. You can include numbers, symbols. Also you can enable or disable this setting, then submit. So this is the strong password. You can remove any another thing. So you can generate custom password as your need and requirement. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.